Hey, this is Kent and Kyle again at Cleavers, and we're going to keep rounding around our dog food aisle here. And Kyle, a well-known brand is Diamond, and we move a lot of Diamond. If you've seen a lot of Diamond Energy, Diamond Maintenance, Diamond Premium Adult goes out of here bags at a time. Kyle, what makes Diamond a good dog food?
Well, Diamond's got a big variety that you can choose from. They've got a formulation for every dog and for all the owners who want different things for their dog. They've got a baseline, which is going to be your high energy, your maintenance, and your premium, and they also have a puppy. And then that is going to be they're still going to have your corn and your wheat and your soy, but they are gonna have a meat product in them as well. And then from there they're gonna bump up to a natural, which is gonna still have your meat product, and then it's gonna be changed from a wheat and corn to rice and sorghum. And then from there they're gonna bump up to the grain free, which is your grain free. They're gonna switch it out with sweet potato.
Guys, our Diamond feed has taken off, and the all-natural has taken off more and more. Every week we're selling a few more of the all-natural. So you got to go and see what you like and have Kyle help you get to what dog food meets your needs.
Yep. And yeah, they come in chicken, lamb, and beef, and then the grain-free comes in a beef and a chicken.
So like I say, let us help you get your dog to the right nutritional value. We strive for nutrition, whether it's dog, cattle, horses is what we strive for. So let Kyle help you on your pet, and hope to see you soon, and thank you guys.